Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through the University of the West Indies, now commonly known as UWI. Now this is the largest university in Jamaica. It's also the top university in Jamaica. So this road that we're on is what they call a ring road. Now it goes right around the campus of the university. This is basically probably the most popular university in the entire Caribbean. As you know, Jamaica is one of the leading countries in the Caribbean, and this university is one of the reasons why. Alright, so we're just going to take a quick tour around Ring Road, showing you what the campus looks like now. Now coming up on the left is one of the dorms. You turn here to go to, trying to remember the name of this dorm now. Something Tower, I can't remember, but coming up now is basically on the right is a library and on the left is the dorms. Oh, why is this thing? Taylor Hall is on the left. And as you know, I mean, you have up to 25,000 people using this campus a day. So you're going to have a lot of food stores, you have banks, you have all the amenities to sustain an environment this big. So guys, enjoy the tour, giving you an update of what the campus looks like.